1.
Create or download something. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Locate a sofa. Look for something similar. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, import your object. When deleting faces, turn on depth buffer. Now we can select the entire mesh. On Original, delete verts. Select yours, select Original, join them. Select Material, delete blank. Select Checkerboard, select your texture. If texture is not there by default, import, open image, go grab your thing. Tweak the texture in the UV side if need be. Otherwise, save them. Delete shadow verts. Merge all to Studio Mesh _0. Save as shadow. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import meshes. Re-import textures. Done. Let's rest our weary feet, shall we?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.